Hey YouTube, I just picked up one of these. I have a 4.5-inch Walther PDP that I'm going to throw it on. I didn't see a video on how to install it on YouTube, so I figured I would throw one up myself and help you guys out. It's extremely easy. I got my 4.5-inch right here. Unload it. Grab that. And here is the flashlight. And I've heard a lot of things about the battery compartment. It's kind of impossible to figure out, but once you know how to do it, it's pretty easy. There's just this little tab right here, and you just pull that tab back and it flips back. Just this little tab right here. And then that'll release this right here. And then you just push up and that whole thing pops out. I have the batteries in there already, but this will be in the battery compartment. Make sure you take that out. And then you just push this all the way back in there until it's nice and snug again. And then you just flip this back over and she's good to go. I don't know if you don't know how these work, both sides, you can flip it up and it'll stay on. Or I'm sorry, you flip it down and it'll stay on. Flip it up, and then this is just your bump light. And if you do it twice, then you get your strobe. It's the same for the other side. Flip it up, stays on. Once down, twice will give you that strobe. Right out of the box for a Walther PDP, and then I have my 4.5-inch right here. We're gonna throw this on right out of the box. You don't need any of the tools. You don't even need to open the extra little bag that they put in there for you. You don't need anything. The key lock on here, the Glock, it's exactly what you need. You don't need to do anything. Once you get the batteries in, you're just going to, and when it comes to the battery orientation is right there. It's the same on this side, so you know which way to actually put the batteries in there. But once you get them in there, you just untighten this guy right here, untighten that, and that'll loosen this up right here. And then I just start it on one side, kind of diagonally. Just make sure that you line up that key lock in there, and then you just roll it over. And that's it. And then you just come over and you tighten this guy down right here. As far as you can go, hand tight. And then I didn't have a quarter or anything like that right next to me. I'm just in my living room, so I have a nail clipper. I'll just use the end of this. Stick it in there, make sure it's pretty tight. And that's it, guys. Good to go.